loser, am I right? You look like the assistant manager of a Hawk Topic.
You look like you'd let any old man with a bag of breadcrumbs hit it.
Birds gotta eat, am I right? Birds gotta fucking eat. You look like the centerpiece of an Addams Family Thanksgiving.
And Rudy Giuliani cleaned up New York in the 80s. He forgot to euthanize your mom.